This is Louis Philippe. I'm with Eric Phillips from Australia. He's from Icetrek. He's a polar explorer and guide, very experienced person, and he's been developing equipment to make your life easier while skiing towards poles, Greenland, whatever. And he's going to show us some gear. So,
yeah.
Eric, tell us.
This is one of our models of ski binding. It comes with a plastic base, and it's a very high, extreme cold rated plastic. And it works on a flexing principle. It's attached to a ski. This is the ski, just a small demo model, of course. And it has a heel location system here too, so that it prevents the heel from sliding off if you're traversing and walking over rubble.
And what is the weight of this compared to a normal typical binding?
Yeah, sure. They're slightly heavier. The combined weight of two bindings, a left and a right, is less than 1 kilo. So it's tolerable. So
but the advantage is you use a normal boot.
You can use a normal boot.
So it could be a very warm one.
Yeah, I've got some relatively warm boots in here, and in more milder conditions, you can use this style of boot. So it just pops in, 1, 2, and that's one model. And we would recommend this for anything up to -30 or so. If you want to go into the -40s, -50s and colder, then we recommend what we call our Vintro binding. This is, you can see here with the buckles and the ladder straps, there's of course a bit of mechanics in there that can fail at extreme cold. But when you use this pure buckle and strap system, then this is a foolproof system that works in every temperature.
Oh, that's really easy to set it.
It's a single hand release, and then with a ski pole just in here, there,
nice,
and out again.
And they're about the same price each?
This one a little bit more expensive. You can see that with the ratchet buckles and the ladder straps, a little bit more engineering involved in that. So that's very simple, but extreme cold. This one, slightly more complex in terms of.
So this would be 0 to -30, and that would be -20 to -50.
Sure. Yeah. Exactly.
And where can they find those bindings on those
equipment? You can
equipment?
find them on icetrek.com.
Icetrek.com, nice, thank you.
Underneath.
So Eric is removing the plate because you can do adjustments to fit any morphology of the foot.
So if you're a skier and you have pronation or supination problems and you ski with a roll each time, this way or that way, let's say that you're rolling outward, because this arrow here, that means it's a right-hand ski binding. Let's say you're rolling like this each time you're skiing, and it's quite common. Then you can relocate inward 1 or 2 on the holes here like this. All right, so you can, but before that, you relocate the heel plate, because the heel plate sits in between here and prevents any pushing out.
Sliding to the sides.
That's right. So first you relocate the heel plate from here, and then to match. And you can move forward and back on the balance point also.
All right.